Hey everyone, I'm over at this one park now. Gonna check it out and see what we can find. And there's a 82 right here I wanted to check out. And we have a highway, busy road to the town. It's just really busy here. So, see what that is? I got it. See what we got. Okay, it's inside the plug. Here we go. Straight down right in here. It's probably gonna knock out through. Alright, yeah, it's on the shallows. Where we at? Oh, yeah, it was a penny. Oh, wait. It's a dime. Yeah, it's a dime. Let me see. Here we go. Yay. There's that Roosevelt. Alright, and there's just the regular regular dime. Okay, put that in the pouch. Yep, it's a little rainy today. Yeah. You get that one. Not very deep. See, it's right in the plug. Yeah, it's right there. Flip it over. Ooh, nickel. Yay, we got a nickel. It's one of those side Jefferson nickel heads. Yep, there he is. Cool. I want to lose that nickel. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay, right in there. Oh, no roots. Oh, nice. Look at that. No roots. Is that something else? Now, how could that be? There's roots all through here, man. Is it? Hold on. There's something big. What is that? It might be one of those no cash value coins. I don't know. Hang on. Gotta have my... Yeah, I see it now. Yep. It's a no cash value token. Okay. We could give it a try. Not very deep. Oh man, there's a root there. Let me see. Let me get that little shovel trowel out. Golly. It's like right under a big root. Oh wow, that's a solid rosebush root. No, I'm gonna try that one there. See, there's just a little tiny sound in between all the junk. Uh-huh. Here we go, let's see what it is. Is it in there? Alright, where you at, pinpointer? Let's see where we can find it. See, there's something in here. See what I mean? Watch, there's a penny right there. Now that was interesting because it was all in that junky area. Picked it right out. I like that. That was really cool. All right, let's see if there's any more in there. Because I picked it up, I got that signal and I was like, okay, it does sound like a penny or a coin. A high pitch. That was a good one. All right, let's see what we got. Nothing left. Sounds like tin foil. Yeah, I'm just testing something out here. What do you think? Let's dig it up and see what it is. Okay. Let's get the pinpointer out and just check it all out. Let's dig that up and see what it is. Right, now I gotta get my scoop out. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Good one. Fling. It's just a little piece of some weird pewter. Broke off. Really cheap metal. Yep. Alright, we found out what that was. Interesting. Some of them, I can find a coin right in between all that. I like this tone. It's called DP mode. And it snips out coins and jewelry. Let's go around this way. Okay, let's get that one. That's about, 2 inches. Just a little plug. Here we go. Let's see what we got in the plug. Yeah, modern coin, right on shallow area. Oh, where are you at? Oh, there you are. Okay, it's a dime. And I didn't like to do that. It tears all the dirt right all over the place. But it goes back good. Yeah, it goes really good back in the ground. Okay, yeah, a dime. Not too bad. Keep finding more. Sniffed it right out. There he is. It's only 2 inches deep. Okay. Yeah, right there, isn't it? Yeah, penny. Check it out. Memorial. I thought there was. You can just kind of go like that and you can find a chirp and it'll be a coin in there. I like where the settings are. 21 sensitivity, 3 speed on DP. They got my threshold really low, about 8, 10 kilohertz. We're running good. Looks like somebody's already been here. I've been through there too, lots of times. I had a whites and I've been here. And my buddy, Greenlight, well, he was over there and he found a 1951 quarter. Right over in that area. Pretty cool. All right, so my turn to find a silver dime or a quarter. Here's something right on top. This is another park that might be loaded with coins. Aha. Yeah, really, there might be a lot of coins here. I'm gonna go for that right there, see? Up around it. Where you at now? Yep, there's a penny. Put that dry piece of dirt back in that way. All right, another penny. Like that. Cool. On to that next good coin. Cha-ching! Check it out. I got the token and it's one of these car wash tokens. Not bad. I don't know if you can see it. And then on the back it has vacuum token. It's upside down, I'm sorry. Yeah, pretty neat. It's for both. And then I have 2 nickels, 3 dimes, 17 pennies, and all my junk. What a day. Rainy day, and it was fun. Hey, come along with my next adventure and I'll give you some tips and tricks, and I guess we'll have fun on that next finds. All right, hey, see you later, and like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.